all the people out here are part of more than a couple thousand people that have worked on this airplane, designing and building it. And so this is the day we deliver this marvelous new product to our pilots. And so they had smiles on their faces when I saw them up on the airplane this morning, and we're all thumbs up and ready to go. And so each one of these people out here has an investment in this day happening, and so it's just a great celebration for all our employees.
You know, it's exhilarating every time I see one of our airplanes take off. So it's just pure exhilaration.
Well, this is my first flight, so it was something else to see a brand new aircraft get into the